cold again outside, and darkness falls so early. The days are short, the nights grow long and curly. But maybe that's a blessing in disguise. Now we have long, warm evenings for our hearts to harmonize. For talks with dear and tender souls we love, with laughter softly floating high above. These nights we share warm festive meals, Grandma's pies, the love that heals. This season we'll try to stay near, find gentle words, kind hugs sincere, for everyone who walks this road beside in love. Together, warm inside. One evening we'll share the turkey's cheer and sing the songs of Christmas near. One evening we'll recall sweet days gone by, our nephew's childhood's youth that didn't die. And one of those nights we'll pray as one, for peace, for love, for every home beneath the sun, that God would fill each heart and place with joy, with laughter, and His grace. This season we'll try to stay near, find gentle words, kind hugs sincere, for everyone who walks this road beside in love. Together warm inside.